Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Functional Programming in C#, 2nd edition, written by Enrico Buonanno.
Functional programming, FP, is a programming paradigm that emphasizes functions and immutable data. It offers a different perspective on software development compared to traditional imperative programming, potentially leading to clearer and more maintainable code. This introduction explores FP's core principles and how they can be applied in C#, helping you determine if learning FP is right for you. FP emphasizes two tenets: 1. Treating functions as first-class values, and 2. Avoiding state mutation. Treating functions as first-class values means that functions can be stored and passed around just like any other data type, leading to more powerful and succinct code. By avoiding state mutation, FP simplifies parallel processing and reduces bugs, especially in concurrent scenarios. FP is compatible with object-oriented programming, OOP, but it emphasizes pure functions and composability, leading to better modularity and loose coupling of the code. C# has excellent support for functional programming, thanks to its features like delegates, lambda expressions, and garbage collection. LINQ, introduced in C# 3, embraces FP by providing operations that return new data structures instead of mutating existing ones. C# has evolved to include more FP-friendly features, such as expression-bodied members, local functions, and tuples. C# 8 and 9 introduced pattern matching and records, further enhancing the language's functional capabilities. These features make C# a strong candidate for adopting FP techniques. This book is designed for readers with a solid understanding of .NET and C#, or a comparable language such as Java, Swift, or Kotlin, but does not require prior knowledge of FP. In this chapter, you've been introduced to the foundational concepts of FP and the C# features that support programming in a functional style. By the end of this book, you will learn to use higher-order functions to streamline your code and minimize duplication. Employ pure functions to facilitate testing and optimizing your code. Design APIs that are user-friendly and effectively convey the behavior of your programs. Use dedicated types to gracefully handle nullability, system errors, and validation rules, ensuring your code is elegant and predictable. Develop testable modular code that can be composed without relying on an IOC container. Construct a web API using a functional approach. Write complex applications using simple declarative code by applying high-level functions for processing sequences or streams of values. Enhance your ability to read and comprehend literature about functional languages. This comprehensive approach will equip you with the skills to apply functional programming techniques effectively within your C# projects.
Get this book at manning.com